I was avoid my quava Emadek TV so send the be American said ne and a yeda Emadek TV and patch subscribe to my na like na share and I did one dance true because all my mechanic Emadek abusuan ko no na had the update be a course bia update be a course or Ghana o baby update be a course bia ha na benya no ti di one dance true bi so omra meka Emadek abusuan ko no yes na ha so be over there any time bia seconds bia benya update nyama e koso wa Ghana ne akofo man so ne ba bibia benya update bia de nyama bebre na ebram yesi e be somo sompa yes somo sompa Emadek TV somo sompa na ene e de ekoso yes se bebre e koso wo man no mu yes se bebre ekoso bi aka MPP sem NDC sem issues bi ekoso bia se ende de brew yes the story ben also yes story ben also yenko tie story and also na ye ba ya be din komo
into Mampany's action in public domain in this nature must be condemned and he must apologize to the chieftaincy fraternity. So Mampany me pa ahemfo I'll be surprised in the sense that this is the third time who saw Mampany obu ahemfo him one of them was in your own studio, Peace FM. You be a question about a Denby or Kansas or Hen or Tonkosi. Or Quasantimemo, so another town. And also, catch us a Muslim trouble Monkotuma NDC for. This is another one. Third one.
Or catch her on Henny Biwa Santimemo.
Oko why you interview one of your sister stations.
Senya hino ne ka say kwabri istifo na in the century ni bisan say kwabri fo ni bo no so nya na so bi nsaso and to about say something of a sort.
Kwabri for so be the money.
Okay, nti wo ye no by influence.
Yes.
Okay.
And by influence, no, what I am saying is the fact. Into a Mampany, you cannot go on to disrespect the chieftaincy institution where we have a whole ministry for it. To me, you should begin to respect yourselves. To me, Mampany couldn't have done that in front of Togba Fede. You couldn't have done that in front of Ochene, our king. You couldn't have done that in front of Otiko Koso and many other chiefs. More for now, to say, you see, sister, yeah, Roma for. Ye pa kutu pa benko to ben sorry right but osofo ne be ka kire wo se wonim se bia osisi how anase okoto dwe how ade ye no trance wonim the condition in which the chief was no ohene no e de na manage di say de wa betwa to abonte no na do be gie di say ye no kore ana ye mu be gie di say no kore we will look at it as an afterthought right into the obetwa to dwa no it is neither here nor there. The fact is that there's nowhere in the constitution a chire says a national anthem no one sorry a criminal offense. We have only been admonished and I say share and said because ye na namobe kodi wo mo judge wo man to ho man ye mfa obuo e ma saa ade no a ye can say national anthem. Me am to ye okasa me nkwa me reciting national anthem me to me. His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo Addo I believe say he cannot recite it by himself alone. And many of us now Jehovah Witness for ho they don't the condition in which the chief was, you never know. They said you're not the able said you are not yare. You never know. There could have been so many conditions, and I believe say there were other people who were seated in the crowd sorry. And for a whole president to make those gestures in public, to make the regional minister look a whole regional minister who managed to put it a small boy.
A whole regional minister.
You understand?
Appointed by the
but let me see, let me say this in public. And I'm very sure say you the media, you have more information than so that attitude is a public secret of his own normal way. During his engagement with people, if he doesn't know, I mean, say it took him by surprise. You're a feeling, and obey and wanting. But it's in the public domain, public secret that this is what he does, and we cannot have a president to continue to disrespect people he works with in this nature.
Now private they say private. Why adan ye refia unso ye nipa yi.
Yeah, and nothing necessary kura wo ho ye. Yet I antisa Rollins yes the Pentuashe view biti. You hu so say oni aka the late vice president Omokoye. Say ye hu ye.
Omanko baako bo baako.
And about reply and a ban saying.
Sir.
And yes, to
reply.
Yes, Aka was not just the new. That's what they called him the stubborn. Yes, okay. That's what they called him the stubborn cat. Into a man painting can say no man cost work we get to know. And no na RV Abontin, and it tells me the direction of the governance system. Because look, you must judge, take people's views, add your own to it, plus and minus. Now what the boo mine. Now so be the canals or shutting it down. I am urging the president that this should be the last time or yes I try him. And the chief knows I am for also or beginning to respect themselves, not on my penny, on part the chieftaincy institution, on power much one power much I think
we have and some more yes and some more hopper and easy yes. And I'm a sick time. Say, "Nene, your first time, okay, Emadek time. So, I was subscriber, man. Now I share, now I like it. What the one dance here should be so. Omra me can Emadek bush go no. I have to do about the update. The name cost on 10 times. So you know, I had the do who be do who update be. In fact, I am only leaving a comment. Yes, more comment in here. Me pa, I am only leaving a comment now. Money ending come. Name be a yeah, baby. The ne the abasobody na mo de aboy de enye na maka che na efie hu de ebe ye ne mo na ye adwuma nti da mo be ka na ye ti yes de be ka na ye ti but you want subscribe to Emadek TV yes mo subscribe to Emadek TV na mo like na mo share my yes na mo ndi ho dance nti obi but you ani ne hia me pa mo ndi ho dance nti obi so omra be kan Emadek abusan ko no background